9 weeks more and I have a elective C-section, so I'm so excited. But first of all, we have a beautiful bag to review. Ooh, isn't it gorgeous? So I'm just going to go through this bag. I'll show you what fits at the end. I'll do some mod shots. But I'm just going to go through dimensions and prices and things like that at the minute. So, this is the bag. It is the Gucci Bree Crossbody bag in the red and beige. And it is in Bicester at the minute for between, I've seen people get it for 430 to 480. So I'm not sure if it was cheaper and it's got more expensive, but it's between that price. So it's a very good price. This bag originally retailed for £969. So I mean you're talking about 50% off, which is, you know, a great price. As you can see here, it's canvas at the front and it's leather all the way around. It's got this lovely little Gucci detail on the side and this little strap. It's got the really big zipper. It's a beautiful smooth zipper. Now the only thing about this bag that I've noticed so far is it's very pliable. You know, it's softer than a lot of the other Gucci bags, which is fine. It doesn't really bother me. It makes it a little bit more casual to me. It's got this beautiful strap which can't be removed. It's just a strap all the way across. As you can see, it is adjustable there. I'm just going to do the details and I'll give you the measurements at the end. And I will just show you what's in it at the end as well. So let me just take everything out of it here. So in it, you've got one flap on this side. And then you actually have like card holders and stuff on the other side. But I will show you all this when I'm showing you what's in it. And then it's got the lovely like linen-y kind of fabric in the inside as well. So beautiful gold hardware on this one. So now for the measurement. So it's 25 centimeters by 21 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So it's a really good size bag for every day. It's not too small. You can get a lot into this. It's probably like one of the bigger bags I've seen. It's very good for every day. It's basically what I'm trying to say. Sorry, it's a little bit warm and I'm obviously like a little bit too pregnant for this heat. So strap length. So I'm just going to measure at the longest length. So let me just get my measuring tape. So it can be shortened first of all by about 11 centimeters or so. So this will be the measurement, then take off the 11 centimeters for the smallest amount. So the strap is, let's see, I couldn't find this measurement online anywhere, so it's about 134 centimeters. So it's quite a long strap. I'm very tall. I'm 5'11", and I'm a size usually about 16 before obviously the bump and everything. So that's basically everything I think I have to tell you about the bag. If you've ever seen the Gucci Soho, which is a very popular bag, it's basically nearly the same shape and same size. So if you've been looking for a Soho and you think it's a bit too expensive, this might be a good alternative for you. It comes in lots of different colors. You can get the black leather, you can get this, so it's like embossed leather and not the canvas at all, but obviously that will affect the price. So I'm just going to show you what's inside it and then I'll show you mod shots at the end. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and please comment below and like, and if you like this video, because I'm trying to build my channel and it really, really helps me. Thank you so much. So this is the bag and I've just added a few things in just to show you the size basically. So it's got a lovely wide opening, as you can see. So I'll just open it and it opens really wide, which is good. So the first thing I've just put in for size wise, so you can see, is a baby bottle. So you know, that's a very decent size. Not a lot of my bags you can get baby bottles into, especially crossbody ones. Then we've got some snacks for my toddler. Just little snacks. We've got my little diabetic kit here. We've got my cards. We've got my key holder. We have, what is that? Oh, coin purse. We have some lip balm. And that's essentially what is in the bag. As you can see, it's so deep. Look at that. And it's such a great size. As I said, look, very pliable. You can just fold it in half if you wanted to. So as you can see, as I was trying to say to you before, you've got all your card slots on this side. And you've got a big pouch in there, which is really good. Then on this side, you have your Gucci tie and another little pouch. So that's basically what is inside it. You know, it's really good size. And it's very beautiful. I'll just show you a little close up of the zipper again. Sorry if it's a little bit grubby because it's being used. This is actually my sister's bag who's lent this to me to review, and I've been using it. And it's fantastic. It is a lovely size. She's been using it for weeks as her everyday bag, and she's quite fussy. So it just goes to show you, like, it's obviously a good bag if she's using it. And it's got that gorgeous, like, kind of embossed leather. So if you like a kind of softer bag, this is for you because it's not structured. I'll just show you the little mod shots now. Ready?